This is Will with GWA Auto. I'm here today with the AA Ignition fuel tank selector valve. This reservoir selector valve is compatible with Ford F-150, F-250, and F-350 between the years of 1989 and 1997. A reservoir selector valve facilitates movements from the front and rear tanks of your F-150 or Ford truck. This is an OEM fit, direct replacement part made of quality materials. It has a lifetime warranty, and if you do replace this part, make sure you do it in a well-ventilated area with no ignition source, as you are playing with the fuel system. Thanks for looking at this product from GWA Auto.